Fatima B. De Castro from Bachelor of Science in Forestry 2A. So for today's video, I will show you 15 trees and I will identify their scientific name, family name, and so on. So without further ado, let's start. The first tree is the coconut tree, scientifically named as Cocos nocifera, under the family of Ericaceae. It is a tree that's cultivated the world over for its fruit, the coconut. Coconut trees have a textured trunk. The trunks are slender and the trees themselves generally rise to a height of about 50 to 80 feet. The coconut palm tree is valued throughout the tropical areas of the world for its many uses. In many cultures, the trunks and leaves are used for building materials to construct walls and roofs. The inside of the nut is where the coconut can be found. Coconuts are also a source of herbal remedies for the treatment of heart disease, high blood pressure, and digestive problems, to name a few. The second tree is the falcata tree, scientifically named as Paraserianthes falcataria. It is a fast-growing tree species grown commercially in the Philippines, particularly in Bislig or in Surigao del Sur, eventually spreading to nearby provinces. It has a smooth, light or white-colored bark, and its leaves has twice pinnately compound with small leaflets. Falcata has a shorter maturity period than other trees and has a pulp texture favored by wood processors. It was also good for lumber as it has a straighter trunk than other trees. So the third tree is a Nara tree, scientifically named as Pterocarpus indicus. It belongs to the family of Fabaceae. It is a large deciduous reddish hardwood tree that is native to most Asian countries. It reaches an average height of 25 to 35 meters with a trunk that extends up to 2 meters in diameter. Its leaves are 12 to 22 centimeter long, pinnate with 5 to 11 leaflets, and the girth is 12 to 34 meters wide. It is a commercial species with a number of uses, often seen as an ornamental and shade tree. The Nara is acknowledged as an excellent timber in Southern Asia and is categorized as one of the most beneficial timbers in the Philippines. So the fourth tree is the durian tree, scientifically named as Doriocybethinus, from the family of Bombacaceae. Durian is a fruit tree from Southeast Asia and Indonesia. It is believed that it was from the region of Borneo and Sumatra. The leaves are simple, large, elliptical, or oblong. It is an evergreen tree. Durian is known for its extravagant, large fruit with a spiny shell. It is a very long-lived tree, reaching up to 150 years old or more. It measures for about 50 meter high and 120 centimeter of trunk in diameter. So the fifth tree is the toog tree or Philippine rosewood, scientifically named as Pterostyanthus quadrilatus. It belongs to the family of Lycethidaceae. It is a deciduous, medium-sized to fairly large tree, up to 40 meter tall. The bole is straight, cylindrical, branchless for 20 meter up to 100 centimeter in diameter, occasionally with buttresses up to 2 meter high. It is known as the tallest tree in the Philippines. Its wood is hard and difficult to cut because of its appearance and high quality. Toog is now recognized in the local and world market under the trade name Philippine rosewood. However, it is considered as a vanishing timber. The sixth tree is the antipolo tree or tipolo, scientifically named as Artocarpus blancoi. It is belonged to the family of Moraceae. Antipolo is a large tree that grows up to 30 meters tall. The outer bark of an antipolo tree is grayish-black. Its inner bark exudes white latex. The wood of an antipolo tree is locally used for light construction, and it is used as a fiber plant for the production of pulp and paper. The seventh tree is the mango tree, scientifically named as Mangifera indica. It belongs to the family of Anacardiaceae. Mango is an evergreen tree grown for its edible fruit. The mango tree is erect and branching with a thick trunk and broad, rounded canopy. The leaves of the tree are shiny and dark green. Mango trees can grow to a height of 45 meter or 148 feet and can live for in excess of 100 years, and it is believed to originate from India or Burma. The eighth tree is the avocado tree, scientifically named as Persea americana. It belongs to the family of Lauraceae. An average avocado tree grows to about 30 feet tall. It was originated in the subtropical regions of the Americas but are now cultivated worldwide. Avocado trees are thick evergreens that produce a delicious and nutritious fruit. Avocado trees have a glossy dark green leaves that are sharply pointed. The ninth tree is the mangium tree or brown salwood, scientifically named as Acacia mangium, from the family of Leguminosae. Mangium is a large tree to 30 meters tall with a straight bole which may be over half the total tree height. The bark surface is rough, furrowed longitudinally, and varies in color from pale gray-brown to brown. Mangium is a fast-growing, evergreen species. It is able to grow throughout the year if conditions are suitable. It has a good quality wood traits. It is useful for a variety of purposes such as furniture, cabinets, tornery floors, plywood, veneer, fence posts, firewood, and charcoal. The tenth tree is the Gmelina, scientifically named as Gmelina arborea, from the family of Verbinaceae family. Gmelina is a deciduous tree which has a very remarkable growth rate. In a reasonably good site, it takes only 3 years to attain a merchantable timber size of 5.8 meter to 8.3 meter with a centimeter 10 centimeter to 15 centimeter in diameter. It is a short-lived tree but with a good soil condition and proper care and maintenance, it is capable of surviving from 30 to 40 years. Its wood is zoned for general carpentry, joinery, furniture components, and other household fixtures. So the 11th tree is the marang tree, scientifically named as Artocarpus odoratissimus under the family of Moraceae family. Artocarpus odoratissimus is an evergreen tree growing to 25 meters or 82 feet tall. The marang is a fruit tree native to Mindanao and some part of Palawan and Borneo. The leaves of marang tree are 16 to 50 centimeter long and 11 to 28 centimeter broad, and its fruit have many health benefits like it can prevent cancer, control diabetes, it can reduce cholesterol level, prevents anemia, improves digestion, enhances metabolism, and many to mention. The 12th tree is the apple tree, scientifically named as Leucaena leucocephala under the family of Mimosaceae. Apple is a small tree growing up to 8 meters high. Its leaves are compound 15 to 25 centimeters long, and it is high in protein and can be used as a feed supplement. And in the Philippines, its wood is popular use for the reforestation work, and also it is used for carving. Apple is a hardwood harvested from tropical forest. It is able to grow vigorously and numerously. It grows fast and is not endangered at the present time. The 13th tree is the mahogany tree, scientifically named as Withinia mahagoni, under the family of Meliaceae family. Mahogany wood is strong and is usually a source for furniture, musical instruments, ships, doors, coffins, and decors. Mahogany is a deciduous erect tree growing to a height of 10 meters with a heavy dark green and dense crown. Its bark is dark gray and rigid. It is native to South America and Mexico but naturalized in the Philippines, Singapore, and Hawaii. The 14th tree is the rambutan tree or hairy lychee, scientifically named as Nephelium lapaceum, under the family of Sapindaceae. Rambutan is originated in the Malaysian Indonesian region and has been widely cultivated in Southeast Asia areas such as Thailand, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, and the Philippines. Rambutan is an evergreen tree growing to a height of 12 to 20 meters, has a straight trunk to 2 feet or 60 centimeters wide and a dense, usually spreading crown. Rambutans are fiery bright red fruits with a creamy white center. The last tree is the talisay or Indian almond, scientifically named as Terminalia catapa. Under the family of Combretaceae family, talisay is a large deciduous tree reaching to a height of 20 to 25 meters. Smooth or nearly so, branches are horizontally whorled, leaves are shiny, obovate, 10 to 25 centimeter long. Its bark is used for gastric ailments, bilious diarrhea, and dysentery. Its wood provides red, cross-grained, and good quality timber used for constructions of boats, bridges, crates, planks, etc.